Welcome, Mind Body Miracle here. In today's video we're going to discuss 5 types of affirmations that can increase self-esteem. Stay tuned till the end of the video to receive your own Manifestation Accelerator Kit. Or click the link below this video to get instant access. Although I recommend watching this video till the end so you have a clear understanding of the power you have at your disposal and how it can create what others would call miracles. Here are 5 types of affirmations that can increase self-esteem, focusing on some of the key areas that tend to generate insecurity. Feel free to adapt and amend them to suit your own purposes. Using these law of attraction technique is all about finding words that really resonate with your intentions. 1. Affirmations that help you believe in career success. Whether you're trying to pursue a whole new line of work or make your way up the career ladder in the field you're in, it's common to worry that you don't have the skills to get what you want. Try these affirmations before a job interview, presentation, or important meeting. Everyone can see that I'm perfect for this job. I'm a clear, confident speaker and my words will convince my audience. I have the skills and talent required to make a difference. I know I deserve career success, and others will see that too. 2. Affirmations that help you feel attractive. If you're down on the way you look, those low levels of confidence can seep into your every interaction. They can make you want to hide away. Experiment with affirmations that target the major source of your negative body image, such as one of the following. I am a beautiful person, inside and out. My body is perfect just the way it is, and I am proud of how I look. I am a confident, attractive person, and people admire me. I look great today, and I'm ready to take on the world. 3. Affirmations that combat fear. In many cases, people turn to the law of attraction when they're ready to make major changes in their lives. However, the idea of transforming your life can be intimidating, sparking low levels of confidence. If you're feeling fearful, these types of affirmations can help to empower you. I am strong and capable, I can overcome any obstacle. There is nothing to fear, I am moving towards the life I desire and deserve. I am ready for real change, and I welcome it with open arms. I am excited and happy to embrace my future. 4. Affirmations that support dating confidence. Even if you're truly yearning for love and you're ready to find a wonderful new partner, you may have some old limiting beliefs that have the potential to hold you back. If you know that you have low or variable self-esteem when it comes to your love life, here are some affirmations that can help. I deserve love, and I know I will find it. I am confident, vibrant, and ready for a great date. Every date is an adventure, and I will have fun no matter what. I am ready and willing to receive the love of my life. I will meet a devoted, loving and beautiful partner when the time is right. 5. Affirmations that build belief in abundance. As with love, many people don't really believe that they deserve financial abundance. Perhaps you've had low self-esteem all your life and equate wealth with people who are better than you, or maybe you've been bullied by people who earn more than you do at work. No matter what the cause of your sense that you don't deserve more money, combating this deep insecurity can be very effective in attracting what you desire. I am moving closer to a life of true abundance and prosperity every day. There is enough in the world for everyone, and I'm going to get what I need. I'm excited and ready to earn the riches I deserve. I know I can succeed and build a life of abundance. In addition to practicing affirmations, remember that you can support your self-esteem with many other techniques from your Law of Attraction toolkit. For example, daily visualizations of success can do a lot to help you believe that you can have the things you desire. And creating a dream board can give you a constant visual reminder of what you're working to achieve. Even a simple exercise like making a list of 10 things you like about who you are can help to connect you with the part of yourself that knows you deserve the very best in life. You now know the power you have and how it can be of service to you. Now let me give you the means of harnessing it to its full potential. Click the link below this video and receive your very own Manifestation Accelerator Kit and read the signs from the universe that will guide you towards limitless success, wealth and happiness. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications for more mind-body miracle content. Remember, you are your own miracle. Embrace your own to create your own.